ushered in a new era in aerodynamic research and development with its state-of-the-art rolling road wind tunnel. The innovative facility is a boon to the design process of next-generation Ford vehicles, spanning electric, hybrid, and gas categories. The rolling road surface can simulate speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, closely replicating real-life road and track conditions. This offers a superior environment for testing and refining vehicle designs, particularly in terms of aerodynamics. Notably, the RRWT played an instrumental role in the development of the all-new Mustang Dark Horse. The rolling road wind tunnel is equipped with cutting-edge technology that combines the features of a wind tunnel with what can be described as a gigantic treadmill for vehicles. By generating wind and road surface speeds of 200 miles per hour, the rolling road wind tunnel can simulate the conditions that vehicles face in the real world. This level of simulation is not just for show, it's an essential component in testing and developing high-performance vehicles across Ford's range. One of the standout advantages is its ability to produce highly accurate data concerning wind drag and downforce. As explained by John Toth, North America Wind Tunnels Engineering Supervisor, the wind tunnel moves an incredible volume of air, enough to fill a K-class blimp in just over 5 seconds. This precision is crucial for optimizing vehicles for range and efficiency. The facility also brings cost-saving benefits by enabling extensive in-house testing that imitates open-road conditions, streamlining the design process. It incorporates a unique 5-belt rolling road system that accurately simulates real-world drag. Each wheel of the vehicle being tested is placed on its own belt, with a large 5th belt running under the center of the vehicle. A crane facilitates the switching between the 5-belt and single-belt systems. The single belt is capable of operating at speeds up to 200 miles per hour, paving the way for a new standard of testing for high-speed performance vehicles. A particularly noteworthy application of this technology is in the development of the Mustang Dark Horse. When creating vehicles intended for high-performance track use, aerodynamicists at Ford focus on balancing drag and downforce. While minimizing drag is essential for efficiency, maximizing downforce is critical for ensuring that the car grips the road or track effectively. The Mustang Dark Horse is equipped with features such as a gurney flap and strakes to generate additional downforce, improving handling and stability during high-speed cornering. Ford's rolling road wind tunnel represents a significant advancement in vehicle design and testing. With the ability to simulate real-world conditions at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, it provides engineers with an invaluable tool for optimizing aerodynamics and performance. The Mustang Dark Horse is a prime example of the potential this technology holds. As stated by Jonathan Giesek, program aerodynamicist for Mustang and Bronco, approximately 250 hours were spent in the wind tunnel developing the 2024 Ford Mustang, which includes the Dark Horse. This level of dedication, enabled by the rolling road wind tunnel, has culminated in the most track and street-capable 5-liter Mustang to date. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.